spirituality is already confusing because of so much information, so much ideas, and awareness is necessary in the practice to make oneself not to get distracted. So that is the important attitude one must have. Now, another seriousness is a blind seriousness. Seriousness without mindfulness, without awareness, without understanding what is truth and the how part, how to get to the truth. And if the awareness is missing, if the information is missing, if the reference is missing, then the seriousness doesn't help the person to dissolve the ego. Instead of dissolving the ego, the person is actually inviting further more layers in oneself and making one's ego more stubborn. The ego is already stubborn already, and the further work is not helping to loosen the ego. So that kind of approach is not good in the spiritual path. That is simply making the person go blind. And when the person becomes blind, that attitude doesn't help the person to be free from their own ego, and when these persons are involved in the spiritual world, that can lead to spread the misinformation about the spirituality, and that doesn't help the world. And unfortunately, these are the people who becomes the guide in the spiritual world, making the innocent seeker go blind in their innocent journey. So this whole journey becomes a blind leading the blind. That's why it is really important to know what the true spirituality is and how to get to the truth. And the reference